Welcome, today we're going to show you how to stop loss and take profit on MT5 Trader. The first thing that you need to do, once you open the desktop version of MetaTrader 5, you need to click on the new order button. As see from here, all you need to do is to click on new order. After that, as see from here, this menu will appear, so this is the order menu. From here, you need to actually go to the stop loss and take profit and set the right prices that you think that you will lose your money if you don't sell at. And for the take profit, you need to enter the price where you want to secure your profit. So that's your take profit from here. After that, you need to click on buy or sell as see from here to place the trade. You can also modify this trade later, so you don't need to think too much. You can just adapt to the market, and after that you can modify it later. Also, a quick note, your stop loss and take profit stay active even if MT5 Trader is closed, because execution is handled by your broker's server. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.